Hey guys, I've got to hold the phone because I didn't bring anything with me. And right now, this message is just so alive in me. I hear so often people say, I wish I just didn't care so much what other people think of me, about other people's opinions. And then if I didn't care so much, I would go out there and I would be more confident. I would do things. I would step out. I would be more in my power. If only I didn't care so much. How can I not care what other people think? You know, sometimes we just have to be honest. Most of us actually do care what other people think. And we can wish we didn't, but sometimes, hey, maybe it's a healthy level of self-respect for yourself and for others of how you show up. But here's the thing, that only becomes a problem when you make it a problem, when you say that's the hurdle. So what if you do care? But you go out and you do it anyway. You see, that is what confidence is the ability and the drive or the willingness to just do it despite how you may feel. So you trying to think it's so and so and wish it was different, that's just making it a problem, and that is the problem. So what if you care? Stop focusing on that. Just do it anyway. And then you'll probably look back and say, hey, I did it anyway. Just wanted to share that message with you. Have a beautiful day, and hope you can hear me actually above the breeze and above the Christmas beetles. It's lovely sitting outside. Alrighty, bye.